Guys, my name is Mustafa Ibrahim, and my name is really making some interesting things to me. Many of the people call me Mufasa instead of Mustafa, but that's okay. But my name is Mustafa Ibrahim. I'm originally from Egypt. For those who know me, and for those who do not know me, I came to the United States back in 2006, and I spent most of the time in the Midwest, specifically in Ames, Iowa. I love Ames, and I love the Midwest as well. And in 2018, I moved here to Fresno, California, to work here. And then, I have been here since 2018. I did not move, and I don't like to move again. So, some of my friends might ask, wow, Mustafa is making a video here. Well, yeah, that's right, because I'm in a training now to learn how to make videos, and I really need your support, guys. Please encourage me and say, yeah, you did a good job, you can do this better, or you can increase in that or decrease in that, because your support is really crucial to me. So for this first video, I'm really excited to talk with you about my backyard. And the story behind my backyard here is, I used to have a gardener, and the gardener unfortunately, was not doing a good job. And most of my neighbors here know that I have a background in agriculture, and my lawn should look better than what it used to be. So I decided to take care of my lawn by myself, and in December I started taking care of it. What I did was I overseeded because it was really patchy. So I put new seeds on the soil, and put some starter fertilizer, and the lawn became wonderful. And today I will also share with you, my grass mower. The grass mower here, this is an electric mower, and it's a funny story, because when I wanted to buy it, I went to the Home Depot here and Lowe's to find a gas-powered mower, and guess what? I never found one. In either Lowe's or the Home Depot or even Tractor Supply. So I asked them why. They said because the Californian rules tell us that we do not sell gas-powered equipment. So it was kind of a shock to me, but it was good for the environment as well. So I went up and bought my Ego lawnmower, and it is a battery powered equipment. It works really good. And here, you can see my lawn here. It looks really nice now compared to what it was before. And the intention is, when it gets warmer compared to that, I will spray some of the weed killer, and it will be a selective weed killer, so that I can kill only the weeds that I don't like them to be in the lawn, and keep my grass healthy. But of course I will add some fertilizers based on my experience. And you can see my roses are really good here too. So I pruned them by myself early February this year, and you can see how healthy they are. And next time I will show you the colors of the flowers when they bloom, and I will talk more about how to take care of them. So let's go. I will show you how this machine works here, and you will see how the lawn looks like before and after. Let's go. machine here is it's not that noisy compared to the other machines. The machine is really good, but as you did see, a minute ago, that the only issue I have with it is, sometimes it spits some of the grass, out of the bag. But that's fine, we can clean it up very easy afterwards. So let's continue. Alright, so I'm done now in around 10 minutes or less. So by the way, I'm not promoting anything here. It's just a video, and I was thinking a lot about what topic I can share with you guys. And I found that, well, I can start with my lawn so that, I can talk a little bit about it, and I'm feeling comfortable talking about it as well. That's why I selected the topic of talking about my lawn. So please support me by saying, yeah, you did a good job, or you were not afraid. Actually, my heart is beating a lot, and I'm shaking. This is my first video ever I do. So I will see you in the next videos. Bye.